Want to translate and dub your videos in over 130 different languages with realistic AI voices? Today, we're looking at Rask AI, a powerful platform designed to help you localize your marketing videos, podcasts, and educational content in just a few clicks. Getting started is incredibly simple. You just upload your video or audio, choose your target language, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. One of Rask AI's standout features is Voice Clone, which lets you communicate with your global audience using your very own voice across 32 different languages. If your video has multiple people talking, don't worry. The multi-speaker feature automatically detects different voices to keep the dialogue natural. Plus, they offer a lip sync feature to match the translated audio to the speaker's mouth movements for a seamless viewing experience, along with auto-generated captions to boost accessibility. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, users love how incredibly user-friendly the platform is. Featured reviews from professionals like Veronica, an enterprise education mentor, and Steven, a software engineer, highlight how much time the tool saves them when reaching new global audiences. It's also SOC 2 Type 2 certified, meaning it has enterprise-grade security. On the downside, because our independent review sources are limited today, we can't fully speak to long-term glitches or user complaints. However, as with most AI dubbing tools, you may occasionally need to tweak translations or pronunciation to get them absolutely perfect. Overall, if you want to expand your reach and create new revenue streams globally, Rask AI is definitely worth a look. You can try it out for free right now with no credit card required. Head over to their website to start translating your first video and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials.